This place that you see here is older than Stonehenge, older than any pyramids that you come across around the world. This will be the top point of our trip. So this city that you will see is at Göbekli Tepe, and it's 12,000 years old. I'm really curious. So we came to the place where the history has changed, and we are going to go to the film first. The main reason of our trip was to find the sun, and the second main reason that we wanted to show you the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. But this place that you see here is the start of the history. It's times back to the 12,000 years ago. This construction that you see here is older than Stonehenge, older than any pyramids that you come across around the world. So it changed the history, it changed the belief about the history at the same time. Why? Because we thought after finding the agriculture, we humans started worshipping God, building the temples. But now you are going to see this is actually the hunter-gatherer's temple. So the history that we learned is not matching the truth that they discovered here. Kuzey, what do you think? Did you like it here? Do you think it's fun here? Kuzey, is it nice here?
Yes.
Really? Why?
Yes.
What did you see here? Animals? Did you see any animals?
Yes.
Where? There, where? Yeah, he has seen some structures and statues of the animals in this place. Unbelievable. So the first human temple that we know for now excavated on this hill. This is a kind of wishing tree, I think. All the wishes come true.
Sarılayım o zaman ona.
Kesinlikle ne istersen oluyormuş.
Ben sarılayım dokunmayayım.
Zaten o ağacı sarıldın, zengin koca istedin geldi. Bu ağaçla buldun beni değil mi? Biliyordum zaten. Ne yapıyorsun Kuzey?
Hadi tamam. Şuradan isterseniz bir alalım. Burası da çok güzel. Arkada görüntü var.
So we are at the Şanlıurfa Müzesi. So this is the very first stone tray representing the bird probably, and it's found at the Göbekli Tepe. If you look at this statue, 10,000 years ago they found this one, 10,000 years old. And if you look at the mouth, it's whistling. And this is the other one as well. So they found it near the temple Göbekli Tepe. So you will remember the place where we have been, Balıklı Göl, all the fish swimming, the fish pool. Now they found this one at the fish pool side. And this is the only life-size statue that we know today. So this is the very first dancing figure that we come across in the history. and you're going to see the two men dancing with a turtle, or a woman, or a pregnant woman. So archaeologists and the scientists have still been working to discover what this figure was. What you're going to see here is the King Nabonidus, and it's actually the end of the Mesopotamian era and start of the Babylonian. And what important was, Nabonidus had the dreams, and his dreams were coming true, and lots of people were believing him as well. As a king, he had the power, and what he did, he announced himself as a god, and he got even more powerful in those times. He created a temple called Sin, and these engravements and these masterpieces just found in the temple.
Yakıştı.
So Kuzey, what did you buy? Show it to us. Come on, can I see? Amazing. What kind of monkey business is going on?